you can do so much with it. Yeah, so we use it for we've used it for decking, we've used it for borders, planters.
DuraPost is the one post you need for almost any fencing job. DuraPost has been designed, tested and continuously improved, taking feedback from our customers and our fencing community. Now DuraPost does the job of both a slotted and mortise post. That means that you can fix arris rails, camp rails, 3x2 or 4x2 timber, standard fence panels, 38 by 88 motorway rails, composite boards and concrete gravel boards. Plus, if you prefer a timber look, you can add timber cladding whilst retaining the durability of steel posts. Why does this all matter? Well, quite simply, in DuraPost you have a solution that can be tailored to any of your customer needs.
They're incredibly versatile, and we can, we have that peace of mind that it's not going to be failing anytime soon.
I mean, the U channels I use everywhere. That Galv U channel is amazing. It's just brilliant.
That's why we recommend DuraPost steel for every single fencing installation. DuraPost looks great, it's cost effective and it's easy to install.